Hi guys, this is Vinay Shetty, a professional trainer and a trader from the Trading Minds. In today's video, I am going to talk about the important levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty, how we can plan our trade in the coming days, and also what could be the short-term view and what could be the short-term support in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. That is what we are going to discuss in the today's session. So apart from that, I am also going to talk about a couple of trades where we can plan for a short-term investment. So let's get started. In the recent scenario, we have seen the Nifty and Bank Nifty have fallen a lot. Now a lot of selling pressure is going on in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let's see what can happen in these indices in the upcoming period, maybe in the short term or for the long term trade, or even for tomorrow if we have to play. Let's try to analyze the performance of Nifty and Bank Nifty with some logic. Now we can see here Bank Nifty, which has fallen almost from 41,000, 42,000 odd levels. It was near almost in the peak right here at this point, from the 41,000 odd levels, from that point to this point. So currently we are near 33,600 levels. So we have seen a great fall, a good fall, in fact, I can say, because of the recent development that could be the Russia and Ukraine war, or that could be the because of RBI policies, or maybe the US Fed policies. Because of multiple reasons, market is finding downward path. Now, being a daytime trader or being a positional trader or being a short-term trader, how you have to approach these kind of markets and how you have to be ready. Now, if I just see here in the short term, what happened, if I just try to join a few points or a few candles, something like this is what I'm seeing in the um, Bank Nifty currently. So there could be a chance of maybe we have seen the Bank Nifty falling from this 41,000 odd levels, and it came to 34,000 levels, and again it went up to the 39,000 levels, and again it came down to the 32,000 odd levels, and again it went up 38,000, again it came down to 32,000, and again it went up, and again it came down. Now, can we expect a pullback? Because if Bank Nifty is trading in this pattern, in this channel, okay, there could be a chances of a pullback, because here we can see a kind of a support which is taken already by the Bank Nifty at this particular zone, and here it may go to this particular level. Maybe that could be a 36,000 or 35,000, some odd levels. So for this it may take a couple of weeks to reach this level, but if the things are not well, if this support is broken, this support is taken off, then chances of coming down is higher. So this is the one thing that I can see here for the short term trading. Okay, apart from that, if I just remove all the drawings and if I see what happened in the previous week, here I can see after the previous week, some couple of news which came, and because of some global cues, in fact, the Nasdaq was falling heavily, the Singapore Nifty was falling heavily, even FIs were on the selling mode. So because of all those reasons, we have seen Bank Nifty to have a huge gap down. Okay, almost from 34,500 levels to almost 33,800 levels, it fell, and there was a gap down opening on 13th June, that is the last week. Okay, so after that, what happened? Bank Nifty tried to come here again. You can see here Bank Nifty tried to reach the level again, but again it failed. Again it fell down heavily. Right. Even if I just go to the 1 hour time frame, we can see multiple rejections at this area. See, I can mark it here and show. So this is where it fell down initially, and after that there's again a rejection here, and almost in the near zone here there's a rejection, and again in the last Friday's trade there was a rejection. So this particular zone is acting as an hurdle, or it is acting as a resistance. So I can see a great resistance which is coming near 33,750 to 33,800 levels. So now, after the Friday session, even we saw a good gap up opening. There was a good gap up opening on a Friday session. So after that, I can see the global market. If I just go back to the money control, the global market website. So at this point of time, I can see a lot of markets which are in completely green. In fact, the Nasdaq is almost 3% green, and European markets have closed in green. Even the SGS Nifty is the SGX Nifty, the Asian markets are in the green. So chances for tomorrow, chances of gap up is very high. Okay, so if there is a gap up, if there is a gap up, so for us, whatever the resistance we have seen so far since 13th of June till the 24th of June, whatever the gap up, whatever the resistance zone which we have seen, so this resistance could be tomorrow acting as an support. Very important, because we have seen rejection. See the rejection, trying to go up, rejected, trying to go up, rejected, trying to go up, it is rejected. Okay, it is rejected at this 33,750 approximately. I'm saying 33,750 to 33,800 zone, which is a rejection zone, or which is a resistance zone so far. So tomorrow, as we are seeing the global market in complete green, so chances of gap up is very high. Okay, so chances of gap up very high. So if let's say market opened here, and instead of moving in one direction, if it starts coming down, so the Bank Nifty may take support at this zone. Okay, so it may take a support at this zone, and it may start going up again. And also here we can see gap which was happened on 10th June to 13th June. So this gap may be filled in the coming week. So this is for the intraday for tomorrow. So let's see how the things will be. And also let's see what Nifty is doing. Let me switch my screen to the Nifty. Okay, so coming to the Nifty part, so let's see in the daily time frame. So what was happening in the daily time frame, and how the Nifty and Bank Nifty are almost following the similar trend. So we can also see a similar trend which was happened, or which was followed here also in the Nifty. And also I can see in the Nifty, okay, something like this. This could be the resistance and the support, or the channel pattern. And okay, so even Nifty, there could be a chance of, see, it was nearly at 18,500 plus levels. From that zone, from that level, it came to almost 15,100 level. Okay, because of the recent activities which happened across the globe. So we have seen this much of depreciation in the Nifty as well. So currently in Nifty, I am also seeing there could be a chances of a pullback, something like this. Nifty may go up in a short term, maybe a couple of weeks. This may take this path. Meanwhile, if we are taking a bull trade, or if we are going long at this point, then for us the important level of stop loss will be here. So this will be the important level of stop loss. Upon any closing or confirmation beyond this particular zone, we are going to exit our long trades. So this is the one logic what I'm seeing. So apart from this, if I come back to the recent days, what happened in Nifty again on 13th June, we had seen a kind of a huge gap down. So almost from 16,200 zone, it fell down to 15,800. And after that, there was a huge fall again on 16th June. And we have seen the Nifty falling from 15,800 to almost 15,350 levels. Okay, so in fact, again, the Nifty was trading in this particular area for a long time. That was in a range. So Nifty was trading in this particular zone that was in a range. Now let's see, because of the global cues, what we are seeing in uh, the global markets. So because of any gap up opening tomorrow again in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. So as I said, so here also in Nifty, if we see a gap up somewhere like this of a 1 or 2% of gap up, we are going to see tomorrow by any chance. Then if Nifty is after gap up, in case by any chance if it is coming down, so for us the important level would be 15,850 to 15,900 would be the important zone. So for this 15,850 to 15,900 was acting as an resistance. So tomorrow the chances of this resistance converting as an support is very high. So this is the view for the intraday traders. So apart from Nifty and Bank Nifty, I have a couple of stocks to discuss with you. So here I can see the Mahindra and Mahindra has taken off the recent resistance level, which was somewhere near 1060. So this level was taken off recently, and in a daily time frame I can see a good candle, a good green candle which has been closed above this resistance level. So far I can see Mahindra and Mahindra is bullish, and it may see some more gains, and towards 1150 levels it can move. So this is about Mahindra and Mahindra. And apart from that, I have one more stock to discuss. So that is the Minda Industries. So here in the Minda Industries, I'm seeing one pattern which is being formed. If I can join a couple of candles, something like this, and from the bottom, something like this. And I'm using just a 1 hour time frame. Okay, for the short term trades, you can plan this for. You can keep this stock in your watch list, and once the confirmation you get, you can plan for your further trades. So this is what the pattern I am seeing, and the Minda Industries is being squeezed in this particular zone so far since almost since 9th May to 24th June. It's been so many trading session. It has been trading in this particular range. So once this range is taken off, and if by any chance the upside the trend line is broken off, so chances of Minda Industries to fire upside more, maybe it may reach to the 1000 levels or above that. So chances are there. So you can keep this particular stock in your radar. So once the confirmation you get, you can plan for the further trades. So this was all about the Nifty and Bank Nifty and couple of stocks which I tried to cover in this video. So let's see how it will go in the coming days or the coming week. And meanwhile, you can definitely follow us on our Telegram channel for the live updates during the market hours. Hope you liked it. Do follow our YouTube channel and do follow our all social media platforms for more and instant updates. Thank you. Have a good day.